Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade RAM and show you SSD options for a Dell Precision 3560 laptop. Let's get started. Turn the laptop on its back. As you can see, Precision 3560. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. Undo them. Use something like this. In between, get your spudger, whatever your tool you use in between, and it will lift up. I've already done this to save time. So I'm going to remove this cover, and now is your motherboard with its components. So this is the RAM DDR4, takes 2. This is the SSD, it's a 2230 type. Also, it comes with an M2 NVMe. There's no SSD here, can you see? Some laptops have SSD options, but on this motherboard, it does not have an extra SSD slot. So I'm gonna upgrade the RAM now. So it goes like this, make sure you turn it around. And then line it in between there and you slot it. Simple as that. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you have, please like this video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh yeah, don't forget to tighten the screws. This is confirmation of the RAM upgrade. Just press enter to continue.